This is the Simmons 8847 packing nut for the yard hydrant models 800, 4800, and 5800. Now this packing nut will go into the top center of the head and it'll secure the packing washers or O-rings in place. And it'll go right over top the clevis rod. Now, a couple things to notice about the packing nut is on the top portion you've got that hex head, make it a lot easier to tighten and loosen. And of course you've also got those external threads right down there on the bottom side. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of this packing nut, starting with a total length. That's going to measure right just over half an inch, probably about an inch or 5/8 of an inch. Then an outer diameter of that hex head, measuring from point to point. Measure just shy of an inch. And an inner diameter right at half an inch. And an outer diameter at that threaded portion will be right at 3/4 of an inch, with an inner of half an inch as well. Once again, this is the Simmons 8847 packing nut for the yard hydrant models 800, 4800, and 5800.